Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Creating a professional business card in Microsoft Outlook allows you to share your contact information quickly and efficiently. Start by opening the Outlook application on your desktop and navigating to the People icon located at the bottom left of your screen. This opens your contact list where you can manage your digital network. Click on the New Contact button in the top left corner of the Home tab. A blank contact form will appear. Type your full name, job title, and company name into the provided fields. Add your professional phone number, website address, and work email. While you type, you will see a preview of your business card on the right side of the window. To customize the appearance, click the Business Card button in the Options group on the ribbon. This opens the Edit Business Card dialog box. Here, you can change the layout, background color, and font style. You can also upload a company logo or a professional headshot by clicking the Change button under the Image section. Move the image around until it looks perfect. Once you are satisfied with the design, click OK to return to the contact window. Click Save and Close to store your new card. To share it with others, start a new email and click the Attach Item button. Choose Business Card and select your name from the list. Outlook will insert a professional image of your card and a contact file into the message. This makes it easy for recipients to save your details with just one click. This process ensures you always look prepared and professional.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.